Hello, good morning children. So, where is Namrata ma'am? Yes, in the jungle, right? I will teach you one new letter. But why I'm over here in the jungle? But first of all, tell me, what is this? Yes, this is leaf. And what for leaf? L for leaf. Do you want to see one animal? But first of all, tell me, who is the king of the jungle? कौन से राजा जंगल नु? Yes, lion. And I am came over here to in the search of lion. Do you want to see the lion? Do you want to see? Let's go and search the lion. Where is the lion? Oh, here is the lion. See, L for lion. Oh my God! Run, run.
Kids, now let's see some more pictures of capital letter L with nice phonetic song. Are you ready, children?
The letter L. L is for lion, lion, lion. L is for leaf, leaf. L is for lizard, lizard, lizard. L is for ladybug, ladybug. L is for lollipop, lollipop, lollipop. L is for lamb, lamb. L is for ladder, ladder, ladder. L is for L.
Kids, do you want to learn how to write capital letter L? Let's start. We have to follow this dotted line. First, we will do standing line. Then slipping line. With the help of two patterns, we will do L, right? Standing line and slipping line. Okay. Now let's learn how to write L, capital letter L on red and blue line. Do you want to learn? Let's start. We are going to start from the red line. Standing line, touch the second blue line and slipping line on second blue line only. Right, children? Understood? It's very easy. One more time. We will start from red line, standing line, touch the second blue line, slipping line. Okay? It's very easy letter, right, children? Now kids, let's learn how to write capital letter L in red and blue line. Are you ready? So you have to do from where you have to start? From the red line. Red line to second blue line, standing line and slipping line. Right? One more time. The second tick. Start from the red line to second blue line, standing line and slipping line. One more time. Red line to second blue line, standing line, slipping line. Right, children? Okay, now look again. Red line to second blue line, standing line and slipping line. Children, is this right? No, don't cross the second blue line. You have to just touch the blue line and do the slipping line. Look here how to write again. Red line to second blue line, standing line and slipping line. Okay, children? This is right. Now this way you have to complete your red and blue line. Now dear kids, let's draw one related picture of capital letter L. Are you all ready, children? Okay, first we will do slipping line. Don't do big slipping line, okay, children? Then we are going to do small standing line, another standing line, and you have to join this standing line with U curve. Okay, and then you have to do small circle and standing line. And now you have to do again standing line, and upper curve. Okay, and then leave some space and draw another standing line, and again join with upper curve. So this is lock. Kids, now let's do one activity with the help of this L. This is capital letter L. Now with the help of this L, we will draw one picture. What you have to do first, you have to write capital letter L, standing line, and then slipping line. Which letter? L. Now next to the standing line, we will draw one more standing line. Right children? Then we will draw slipping line. Okay, then small slipping line, then slanting line, join with slanting line. Then one more slanting line. Yes. Now we will do U curves. U curve, and U curve. Okay. Now slanting line, standing line, one more slanting line. Now we will draw plug. C curve, standing line, slipping line, two small slipping line. Now what is this? Lamp. Now we will color it. So you can take any color to do color in lamp. Okay children? So I am taking purple color. You have to do nicely color, then only this lamp will look very beautiful. Okay, like this. Now I am taking pink color. Like this way you have to complete this whole lamp. Slowly color it. Again one more time I will take pink color. Now in this U curve we will fill the color in the design. In the standing line, in the stand. Isn't it beautiful children? Yes, now the lamp is looking very nice, right children? Yes, now in the plug. So what is this? L for lamp. L for lamp.